hello, friends and family.
Well, hello there. I feel good.
I knew that I would.
I knew that I would sooner or later.
Okay, we are going to the little house because we need to trade vehicles because we got a bunch of stuff in at Home Depot, like a new back door, stuff like that. And we're gonna see what the electricians have done. So we are having to see, how do we explain this?
We're going to share the devastation in the house.
Yeah. So hopefully we'll get to shoot some video in there and you can see what's going on.
Yeah, they're probably still working at this time, but they're doing 8-hour days.
I hope they're still working.
Yeah, we won't bother them if they're in there.
Yes, we'll come back and video another day. However, the plan is they will punch holes in the wall and snake wire and get all the knob and tube out. However, we learned that one of the rooms, which is probably just a reflection of the entire house, has no insulation in the walls at all. Yeah. So this weekend we're gonna go and gut the bathroom. We're hoping to completely gut it, except for the bathtub, which we will save because it's a really deep, older cast iron tub that looks like it's in good shape. So I will refinish that, and maybe we'll get to film that. But that's what today is, and hopefully there's something to show on this video. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, we haven't forgotten. We will get some video of the update on the property with what Jim did for us, burying the gas line.
He did a really good job.
Yeah, he really did. Yep, and he got it all pulled up so we can find it in the spring after the snow. So then we can get lots of work done up there. All right, but for this winter, this is our new project. So stay tuned. Let's see.
And I still have to build the snow blower, the hydraulic snow blower.
For the tractor.
On the front of the tractor. So that's gonna come, as soon as I'm doing a lot better, we'll do it. Put it together.
All right, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Okay, we just walked in. The guys just left.
Did you expect not to have any damages?
Well, it's gonna be messy.
Yeah, but I mean, this is cool. These guys are
Look at
doing
this.
awesome.
I got switches. I can use my kitchen. We're gonna update this temporarily until we can afford to replace everything.
Let me tell you about the outside porch light that's up in the roof. He said when they pulled that out to rewire it, it had a burn mark all the way around it. Like it was getting ready to go.
To catch on fire.
Yeah, so Colleen had a really good call there on not moving in until this was done.
Yeah, he said that a lot of the knob and tube was just free in the walls, not in boxes to keep it from burning.
Right, so you could just pull it out and use it as a stick.
Look at, hey, we'll have working switches right here. Remember? There were no switches here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh wow, look at that.
Oh, ceiling. There's a living room light.
Right.
There's a dining room light. Oh, I hope they pull that out. This is gonna be the dining room switch.
Honey, look at this.
Oh, we can't turn on any lights.
Those are for the lights. Those are the boxes. For your
Hey,
computers.
look, there's a light switch.
A light switch.
Oh, they removed all the wires.
Getting ready to put another one. Yeah, they took all that out.
Oop, this is gone.
Yeah.
But that's okay. I'm okay with that because they gave me a new switch.
Right, there's their snake hole.
Oh man, I'm gonna have plugins.
Oh man, your computer's gonna sit right over here, desk.
We have another plug-in. There was nothing here. Those are sconces. And there is zero insulation in these walls.
Oh wow, I got the flashlight.
Hey, get your flashlight.
Oh. It's finding the right pocket. This jacket's awesome. It's got nothing but pockets everywhere. Wow, look at that. The wood looks fresh. Awesome. But we're gonna
That's
look
crazy.
at this. No, that's the board. It's not plaster and lath. This is solid wood. Look how thick that is.
Wow. Go right here. Go in this one. Oh, that one's closed. Go down here. Oh.
I'll be darned.
Go down here. Go look at that one.
How dry it all is. That is good. Seal plates.
Ooh, can you see the sill place? Wait, go back down. No, I can't see.
You can't. It's too deep. This
Okay.
goes down to the basement floor. Or
Okay.
not basement floor, but the concrete walls.
Okay, let's go look in the bathroom.
Wow, that's good. I'm glad to see that it's clean. The wood is fresh looking. For 100 years old. Hey, they're selling these again at Home Depot. You could buy the whole kit. But
Is the bathroom unchanged? I think.
yeah, nothing in the bathroom yet. So,
Okay. All right.
man, look at the ceiling. How good a shape that's in.
It looks warped from right here.
So,
Okay, let's go
yeah,
in.
there's still juice running on that one.
This is the master bedroom. It's like small enough to be an office.
Yeah, I know. It's like an RV bedroom.
There's a
The master
plug.
bedroom.
1, 2, 3 plugs and a switch. Oh, hey, what's behind you? There's another. Oh my gosh, there was something in there.
There was a switch, remember?
There was.
Yeah, that's probably, this is where they stopped. And
That's
they
the
gotta
old
pull
switch.
that out.
Hey, open the closet. He was gonna snake stuff through the closet. Let's see if you did.
This thin board.
Oh wow, they didn't even have to go through the closet. They thought they were gonna have to take that board out.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys these built-ins. They're so cool.
This is the knob we added. We're just kind of trying out and see if we're gonna use them.
Yeah, so we're thinking about it because they're old.
Kind of
antique looking.
like those, but if it doesn't, we'll stick with these.
And then all this is gonna get painted white. Okay.
Kind of dark.
Okay, so there is a mirror, not a mirror, a window in the
Show
shower.
the ceiling how good a shape.
It's not, look, it's all
white.
warped right there.
Well, just right there, it's loosened up, but man, everything is white. It's clean.
not white.
Normally, these things have got all kinds of water damage.
You guys don't have smell-o-vision, but it smells like cigarettes in here.
No, I don't even smell. But
Okay.
what side does that go?
So this is the bathtub that we're gonna resurface. It's deep.
Not bad shape. I mean, look at these walls. So yeah, this could be nice. Why don't you wait until I get a knife in there, and then I can scrape it too. Okay.
Have you ever
Look
seen
at
such
this
an
old
ugly
medicine.
medicine cabinet? Oh,
Oh man, that is too cool.
that is so ugly.
Yeah, but oh man, the handles still work. I'm all in the old stuff.
Oh, it's too much.
Yeah, I'd save this and an antique shop would take it.
Okay, I'm gonna go downstairs. I want to see what that looks like.
And
Okay.
then it was like,
There is no more lights. Oh, look at knob and tubes right there. Oh, that's so
yeah, not
scary.
anymore.
Ooh,
You good to
I hear scary sounds. Oh, hey,
Here's
look.
dog barking.
Look at, there's a hole in the wall. More knob and tube. I bet you they ripped out that old power box. Nope, it's still in there. Okay, let's go.
Well, they do have some oldness in here.
Ooh, hey, they made a bigger mess than I made.
Oh, Definitely.
Ooh.
Okay.
I see new wiring.
Look at this. Took that out. We can get to the
No,
motor.
I did that.
Let's look and see if that's really. Yeah. Well, not really. Well, yeah, right there. We'll spray all that. That's just areas that they forgot to spray. Okay, here it is. You can see the new stuff coming around. Boy, it sounds really solid down here because of the concrete and all the boards, thick boards.
Oh, I think we should get out
How
of
do
here.
you stop that? The video's gonna sound like you. Just constantly doing that.
Okay, I don't see any major stuff down here
Yeah.
other than the stuff I tore out.
And then the stove. Oh man, there's not even any block in the bottom, I don't think, or is there.
It's hard to.
Yeah, there is. Yeah, I'll tear that out. That's a
And
big
replace it
firebox.
all.
I'm gonna need more blocks. Now I'm gonna count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 on the side walls. I got 20, so I'm gonna get,
Plus the bottom.
yeah, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay.
16 and 14.
It's 30.
Yeah, I'll go get 10 more.
Okay, y'all. That was the house. So we will be back there on Saturday. We need to order a new porch light. So that'll be a fun little thing to see if we can find an arts and craftsman style porch light.
We've seen a few of them. There's about 3 of them that we like. But I know there's a lot more styles out there.
It'll be fun.
Yeah, that's the fun part about remodeling is the finish.
Yes.
You know?
So we're getting all the not so fun, expensive stuff done right now.
Big
And-
physical things.
And then the fun stuff begins.
But it's going to be a really cool experiment when we expose the walls thoroughly, because we got 1-inch planks that stream across the walls like a tongue and groove.
Mm-hmm.
And we might want to save that and make it look like an old country craftsman type home and just paint over it, or in some rooms we can just clean it up well enough. You may want a natural finish, but still we'll have some really good options of instead of drywall. We can save so much money just reusing walls that are there.
If they're salvageable.
If they look good. And what it looks like right now, as clean as the wood is from the places that they had to cut into and expose, it looks like nice for 100 years old. I've never seen anything that clean for that age. There's no leaks. Seal plates are just the same color as inside of those walls.
We did find some areas of the basement wall, like there's a small area where they used to store wood.
Yeah.
And there's mold in this area, and it was sprayed in the past, and you can see that like it's been
clean.
killed.
Yeah.
But there's an area that they missed behind the steps.
Yeah, underneath the steps there was like a cabinet or something back there, and I think it was overlooked.
And more round logs.
Yeah, and I think it was overlooked because of all that stuff that was under the steps. They didn't know it was there, so that's going to be our job, is cleaning that. I've got all the stuff.
So that's on my bucket list, is put on my respirator this weekend, go down there and spray the heck out of that and let it kill it, and then we'll go back and clean it up. And
Yep.
so, all right, that's enough. Stay tuned. We'll show you hopefully a tear out this weekend. Woo, so exciting. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye-bye.